Want to eat healthy without breaking the bank? Think it's impossible? Think again. Welcome to a new perspective on healthy eating where good nutrition meets affordability. We're debunking the myth that eating healthily means emptying your wallet. You see, it's not about buying the most expensive products, it's about making smart choices, and we're here to guide you through that. Imagine a life where your meals are packed with nutrients, yet light on your budget. It's a lifestyle that not only boosts your health but also enhances your mood and energizes your day. The best part? It's easier than you think. Navigating the world of budget-friendly, nutritious eating can seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We're about to embark on a journey, breaking down the process of shopping and cooking into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Stay tuned, because things are about to get deliciously healthy and surprisingly affordable. The first step to eating healthy on a budget is planning your meals. Why is meal planning so important? Well, it's like setting a roadmap for your culinary journey. It helps you visualize what you're going to eat throughout the week, making it easier to stick to healthier choices. When planning your meals, consider the sales and discounts at your local grocery stores. Check their weekly flyers or apps for deals on fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains. Planning your meals around these discounted items can significantly cut down on your grocery bill. Don't forget about seasonal produce. These fruits and vegetables are not only at their peak of freshness, but are often less expensive. From crisp apples in the fall to juicy tomatoes in the summer, make the most of what each season has to offer. It's a delicious way to add variety to your meals and get a wide range of nutrients. Next, think about your pantry staples. These are the items you always have on hand, like rice, pasta, canned beans, or frozen vegetables. They're versatile, have a long shelf life, and can be used in numerous meals. Incorporating these staples into your meal plan can save you money and time on your grocery shopping. Meal planning also helps reduce food waste. By knowing exactly what you're going to cook, you'll only buy what you need and use what you have. This means less food going to waste, and more money staying in your pocket. And if you're thinking, but I don't have time to plan my meals, don't worry, it doesn't have to be time-consuming. You can set aside a few minutes each week to plan out your meals. Consider making larger meals that can be used for leftovers or repurposed into new dishes. Remember, you're not just planning meals, but also building a lifestyle that's sustainable, healthy, and budget-friendly. The benefits of meal planning extend beyond your wallet. It can also contribute to a healthier diet and less stress around mealtimes. With a solid meal plan, you're already halfway to eating healthy on a budget. Now that you have your meal plan, it's time to hit the grocery store. As you navigate the aisles, remember, smart shopping is all about making wise choices. Let's dive into some essential tips that will not only stretch your dollar, but also ensure you're stocking up on nutritious options. Firstly, consider buying in bulk. Non-perishable items like whole grains, dried beans, and canned goods can be bought in larger quantities for a lower price per unit. Don't worry about these items going to waste. They have a long shelf life and can be incorporated into a variety of healthy recipes. Next, don't shy away from store brands. Often, these are just as good as their more expensive counterparts and can save you a significant amount. All you're skipping is the fancy packaging, not the quality or the taste. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, opt for whole produce over pre-cut options. Not only are you paying extra for the convenience, but pre-cut produce also tends to lose its nutrients faster. Besides, there's something therapeutic about chopping your own veggies, don't you think? Now let's talk about food labels. They're not just there to take up space on the packaging. Reading food labels can give you valuable information about what you're putting into your body. Look for foods low in saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, and sodium. Instead, opt for those high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Lastly, choose nutrient-dense foods over processed ones. Nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains pack a lot of nutritional value per calorie. On the other hand, processed foods often come laden with added sugars and unhealthy fats, offering little to no nutritional value. So there you have it, folks. Shopping smart is about more than just saving money. It's about making choices that nourish your body, fuel your day, and contribute to your overall health. And the best part is, you don't have to break the bank to do it. Remember, a smart shopper is a healthy eater. Armed with your meal plan and grocery haul, it's time to get cooking. Creating recipes that are nutritious and budget-friendly is easier than you might think. It all comes down to selecting the right ingredients, mastering portion control, and getting creative with leftovers. Let's dive into it. Consider a simple yet delicious lentil soup. Lentils are packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals, and they're incredibly affordable. Simmer them with carrots, onions, garlic, and a handful of spices, and you've got yourself a hearty meal that's good for your body and your wallet. Or, how about a vegetable stir-fry? This is a perfect way to use up those fresh veggies you've bought. Add some tofu or chicken for a protein boost, and season with some low-sodium soy sauce and a sprinkle of ginger. Serve it over brown rice and voila, a balanced meal that won't break the bank. Now let's talk about portion control. It's easy to overeat when you're making delicious meals, but remember, moderation is key. Invest in some measuring cups and a food scale to help keep your portion sizes in check. This will not only help you maintain a healthy weight, but it will also stretch your ingredients further, saving you money in the long run. And don't forget about leftovers. They are the unsung heroes of budget-friendly cooking. Today's vegetable stir-fry can be tomorrow's lunch, saving you time and money. Leftover roasted vegetables, blend them into a soup, extra chicken, shred it for a salad. The possibilities are endless. So don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. With a little creativity, you can turn affordable ingredients into nutritious, delicious meals. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive. With these budget-friendly recipes, you can enjoy healthy meals without burning a hole in your pocket. Eating healthy on a budget is not just good for your wallet, it's good for your health too. Now let's dive into why that is. Firstly, let's talk about the health benefits. When we choose to eat healthily, we are not just avoiding unnecessary fats, sugars, and preservatives. We're also providing our bodies with the nutrients they need to function at their best. This includes vitamins, minerals, and proteins that are essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting immune function, and promoting overall well-being. Eating a balanced diet can help prevent a multitude of health issues, from heart disease to certain types of cancer. It can also help you manage your weight. Nutrient-rich foods tend to be more filling, so you're less likely to overeat. And when you're preparing your own meals, you're in control of portion sizes and ingredients, which can be a game changer for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Secondly, there's the financial aspect. Eating healthy on a budget means making the most out of affordable, nutritious ingredients. It involves planning your meals, shopping smart, and reducing food waste. This not only saves you money but also encourages creativity in the kitchen. You'd be surprised at the delicious and nutritious meals you can whip up with just a few simple ingredients. Finally, there's the satisfaction of knowing you're nourishing your body with wholesome food while saving money. It's a win-win situation. You're not just taking care of your health, you're also taking care of your finances. And in a world where we're constantly bombarded with fast food options and expensive health food trends, it's refreshing to know that eating well doesn't have to cost a fortune. So there you have it. Eating healthy on a budget is not only doable, it's beneficial in more ways than one. With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy the benefits of a healthy diet without breaking the bank. So, are you ready to start your journey to healthy eating on a budget? We've covered a lot of ground together in this video, haven't we? We've learned that planning meals ahead of time is key to maintaining a budget and a balanced diet. We've discovered that smart shopping isn't just about finding the best deals, but also about choosing fresh, nutritious ingredients that give us more bang for our buck. We've explored some delicious and budget-friendly recipes that prove eating healthy doesn't have to mean eating bland, and we've seen the benefits of eating healthy on a budget, from improving our physical health to boosting our mental well-being and saving us money in the long run. Now it's your turn to put these tips into practice. Start planning your meals, shop smartly, and cook those budget-friendly recipes. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive. With a bit of planning and smart shopping, you can nourish your body without breaking the bank.